Ford Performance unveiled its newest track-only race car, the Mustang Dark Horse R. This new addition to the stable promises to push the envelope of track capabilities for enthusiasts who are eager to compete in the all-new Mustang Challenge Spec Racing Series. Powered by a fourth-generation 5-liter Coyote V8, the Dark Horse R is designed for racing only and is positioned to bridge the gap between the Dark Horse and the Mustang GT3 and GT4. It represents the culmination of Ford's long-standing heritage in racing, dating back to its victory in the 1964 Tour de France, providing a tantalizing option for passionate customers seeking a factory-built race car. The Mustang Dark Horse R showcases an aggressive yet approachable package, created with Mustang racing enthusiasts in mind. It expands on the race-capable features of the Dark Horse model, establishing itself as the most track-ready 5-liter V8 street-legal Mustang ever. The Dark Horse R shares several components with the street-legal variant, including a body provided by the Flat Rock Assembly Plant, a 500-plus horsepower 5-liter V8 engine, Tremec 3160 manual transmission, and Brembo rear brake calipers and rotors. However, it also features a suite of track-focused upgrades. The exterior of the Dark Horse R is equipped with front and rear tow hooks, reinforced jacking points, and underbody tie-down hoops for optimal track performance. Inside, drivers will find a Recaro FIA racing seat, Sparco quick-release steering wheel, racing harness, fire suppression system, and safety nets. A driver keypad, button controls, and a Motec data display and logging system have also been integrated for enhanced control and data capture. Under the hood, the Dark Horse R boasts an upgraded oil system, improved transmission and differential cooling, and a Borla racing exhaust system. It also features an upgraded chassis with a roll cage, Multimatic DSSV dampers, adjustable front camber plates, and anti-roll bars. As for its braking capabilities, the car is equipped with performance ABS, Brembo race calipers, rotors, pads, and cooling ducts. The Mustang Dark Horse R isn't just about the car, it's about an entire racing series. It was built to compete in the new Mustang Challenge Series, starting in 2024, with a calendar of 10 to 12 races held in conjunction with North American sports car race weekends. The series will provide Dark Horse R owners with the chance to test their skills against other Mustang enthusiasts at some of the world's most renowned racetracks. Each round consists of 2 practice sessions, a qualifying session, and 2 sprint races, all sanctioned by IMSA and managed by the Ford Performance Racing School. With prices starting at $145,000, the Mustang Dark Horse R is set to start delivery in preparation for the inaugural Mustang Challenge season in 2024. It represents not just a new racing car, but a new platform for racing enthusiasts and a tribute to Ford's enduring commitment to motorsport. As such, it promises to bring back fond memories for older fans while creating new ones for a new generation of Mustang racers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.